Welcome. This is for beginners. How to create WordPress site. You'll give a name, for example abcd.wordpress.com. Right? You are seeing the domain here, wordpress.com. Just log into that and you'll get add new site section. Just click that. What brings you to wordpress.com? Creating a site for myself or business or a friend, creating a site for a client, right? Or migrating or importing an existing site. Let's go with creating a site for myself. And goals for your site: publish a blog, promote my business, create newsletter, build a site for school. So okay, promote my business. You can choose anyone. Continue. Choose your domains, right? And if you already own a domain, then you can move with this one. Use a domain I own. And let's give a domain video editing class Nepal. Okay, I'll choose this one. Now you're seeing here recommended video editing class Nepal.blog. We are not moving with that. That is paid plan, and .com is also a paid plan. I will create free one, video editing class Nepal.wordpress.com, free one, right? Just click select and click continue here. Now go down and click this compare all plans, and we are moving with 0 free. 0 start with free, and you can see the plan here. Essential features: unlimited pages, yes; unlimited users, yes; time machine for post edits, online forever. Okay, start with free. Now you can choose a theme. You can move with design your own, or you can choose a theme. Just click choose a theme, and business. Let's move with this one, 2024. Just click it. Default style, and this is the preview, right? Don't worry about anything here right now. I will explain it later. Just click continue. Go just to skip for now. You are seeing here the name of a site, computereditor9.wordpress.com. Copy it. Now you are seeing here default theme, and your site is loaded, right? Now you can see here my home stats, right? Posts, media, pages, Jetpack, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, right? Let's go to appearance and click customize. In your senior site identity, click that and give standard name, video editing class in Nepal, for example. And you are seeing here video editing class in Nepal, and you can also give tagline, right? Next, and homepage setting. Your homepage displays your latest post, right, or static page. You can change it. We'll do that later. And click Save Changes. Reload your site. Now you are seeing here site title, video editing class in Nepal. You are seeing here, right? You can see here, hooray, your theme supports site editing with blocks. Use site editor, click that if it is enabled. Just click here, anywhere here, right? And just double click it. Now you can edit it directly from here. Join online video editing training in Nepal, right? You can select this one. Absolutely for beginners, software is Premiere Pro, 10 to 15 days, something like that. Right, now click Save up here. Saved. Now let's go to our site, reload this. You can see here site is updated, right? When you click here about us, nothing is happening, right? You can see here about. Let's right click it, open link in new tab. What is inside there? This is example page, right? This is page. Now go here and you can move here. Just move your mouse, right click dashboard, open link in new tab. Let's go to pages, right? Here you can find pages, all pages. You are seeing here about. Click here, three dot, edit. And you can delete it, right? Video editing class Nepal. You can write anything here about your business, about your site, about you, anything, and just click Save for now. Right? Now when you reload this about section in your site, now you can see it is updated, right? Now you can see here edit site, just click that. Just click here about us, right? Let's copy this link about page. Go here, you can see here this one link, click it and paste your link here, right? And press enter, right? Now save it. Let's go to our site. Our home page. You are seeing here about us, right? Click it and your about page will load, right? We place the link of our about page here, right? Now let's go down. You are seeing a picture here, right? You can replace it. Just click replace and you can use your media library or you can upload the image. Let's click upload. downloads, just click this image, open. Now your image is replaced. This image is from Pixabay, right? Pixabay.com site, and save it. Let's go to our site. Let's load our homepage. Now you are seeing here, we did this, edited this, we changed about section. Now image is loaded, right? Now go down. Now you can change all these manually, right? Go down, option for creating space, and video editing class. Let's go to ChatGPT and generate some text for that section. Write a short marketing article on video editing class. Make it short in one paragraph. Now just copy it, go here, just click it here, select this, paste, right? And you can see here alignment, just click it, align text left, anything you want. You can select any text, right? For example, video editing class, you can make it bold, you can link it, right? Anything you can do. Go down, you can change all these, right? Just save it. Now go to our site, reload it. Now edit, see. Right? Now let's go to dashboard, and let's go to post section. We can create posts, right? All posts, you can see here posts, published post, right? That is by default, and you can delete it. Just click it, trash, and you can go here and new and select post. Just right click and open it in new tab, and you are seeing here that new post. You can click this one also, new post. Let's go to new post. Now see how to create a new post. Add title, right? Video editing class Paul. This is the title. Now click here and describe it. Let's do ChatGPT. Rewrite with time duration 2, and just copy it, paste, right? And you can see your post, click it. You can set featured image, right? Just click it and You can use anything generated with AI, Google Photos, right? Your phone, media library. Just go to media library, and these three are by default. We uploaded this one. Just click it, insert. This is a featured image, right? It will not appear here. This is just a featured image. If you want to insert image here, just press enter, and then you are seeing here in here a toggle block inserter. Just click that one, and you are seeing here media. Just go to media, images. Just go to image, and you can add image in your post. Open media library, or you can also add new one, right? Also you can add new, just click add new and browse the file from your computer or PC and add, right? For now I'm adding this one. Just click it, insert, and just close it. Now you are seeing here images. Available, right? And you can see here the status to publish immediately. When you press publish, it will be published immediately. No schedule. Link of our URL for this post will be this one, right? Video editing class in Nepal. Author is logged in person, admin. Template single post, discussion open. You can see a assistant here, right? So suggestions if you want that, and go down, you can create a categories here, right? Just click it. Right now there is uncategorized, add new category. Let's say it video editing training. This is the category. Click add new category. Now it is added. Just select it, go down. You are seeing here tags for your post. Video editing class training, depending upon your post, right? Now let's publish. This post is just a sample demo post. Publish, click publish. Our post is published. You can click here and see. Right click, open link in new tab. You are seeing the URL, our site name, then date, and post title. Your video editing class in Nepal. You are seeing it. This is a demo site, not fully published. That is the site identity. You are seeing here image, right? Featured image. This is the featured image, right? And right down here, video editing class in Nepal, your post and the image, right? You can share this, right? Press this, Twitter, Facebook, right? And let's go to this section again, dashboard, and all post. Click it, reload. Now this is our post, right? If you want to edit this, just click this 3 dot button here and click edit. You can view it. You can see the stats, comments, everything, right?